At SafetyQuip, we supply workplace safety equipment to industry. We've noticed a marked increase in the number of inquiries from clients regarding personal protective equipment for arc flash applications. Now, arc flash is the light and heat produced from a style of electrical explosion. Clients that have high voltage machinery and equipment in their workplace that may have electricians and other personnel that are working in the vicinity of that equipment would typically view arc flash as a significant risk in their workplace. Now, this product here is the Elliott's ArcSafe ArcFit 14 face shield and hard hat combination. This is designed to provide head protection and face protection from arc flash. The face shield is adjustable. It can be moved up out of the way when it's not required. There's also a chin guard on the bottom for extra protection. Now, the visor itself has a light green tint, and that allows 55% light transfer. Now, the surface of the visor on both the inside and the outside is both anti-scratch and anti-fog. For the safety nerds in the group, the arc rating on the visor is 14 calories per centimetre squared. The head protection is provided by what we call a Type 2 industrial cap or hard hat. Now, a Type 2 cap has a higher heat rating than a standard Type 1 industrial cap or hard hat that we might use for construction work or similar. Now, the product can be stored complete with the face shield and visor attached in the bag that it's supplied in. So this sturdy bag can also be used as a backpack. If you're carrying a lot of tools and equipment to the work site, simply carry this on your back. The Elliott's ArcSafe ArcFit 14 face shield and head protection combination for protection against arc flash hazards. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information. Let the staff at the local branch know if you'd like a staff member to come out to your workplace to talk about this product or other workplace safety needs.